नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन एंड हैप्पी इन हाउस, स्टडिंग वेल, गुड. Last class, do you remember what we have studied? Yes, lesson 16. What was the lesson name? श्रेष्ठ उपहार. श्रेष्ठ उपहार. उपहार means gift. Upahar means gift. Shresth means precious. Shresth means precious. A very costly, a very good quality. What is the very good gift? Okay, precious, unique gift that we have studied. What was the story? That was a Teacher's Day story. There was a girl, her name was Geetika. Do you remember? Geetika was her name, and she liked her teacher too much. And that day what happened on Teacher's Day? All students, they are bringing some gift and they are giving to teacher. And Geetika, as she was a poor girl, she don't have money to give gift to all students. What she had done? She has plucked some flower from school garden without taking permission, and she gave to teachers one. And gardener saw that and he complained to principal, and principal came, asked Geetika, why without permission you plucked the flower? And she told the reason. She can't afford the gift because she don't have money. So she has picked up, and she saw some girls, they are giving flower also, so she picked up some flower and she gave to teachers on Teacher's Day. Okay, no problem. Then she plucked. Okay, that was not permittable, but her intention was good. Okay, her intention was good, so she did not get the punishment. And teacher that day, what she told? What is the best gift for her? Student are the best gift. If you listen to your elders, you do your homework on right time, you score good marks, that is only the best gift for a teacher. That was the story. And in that, word meaning also we have read. So now you got to know the story of Shresth Upahar. Now we will go for book exercise. Okay, we will go for book exercise. Vilom Shabd. Vilom Shabd means antonyms, opposites. Pasand. What is that? Pa, sa sape ang ki matra san, and the. Pasand. Pasand means like. Pasand means like. What will be the opposite? Unlike. नापसंद. पसंद, नापसंद. लाइक, डिसलाइक. नेक्स्ट, गरीब. ग, र पे बड़ी की मात्रा री एंड ब. गरीब. गरीब मीन्स पुअर. गरीब मीन्स पुअर. पुअर मीन्स a person who don't have sufficient money to survive, to get their basic needs. Amir. Amir means rich, who is having a lot of money, luxury life who is living. They are Amir. Garib, Amir. Poor, rich. Next, Pyar. Pyar means love. Nafrat, hate. Nafrat means hate. If you don't like someone, means you hate. Lot of things many people like and many people don't like. So pyar, nafrat, like some people like the pets and some people don't like. So pyar, nafrat, love, hate. Prasanna. Aprasanna. Prasanna means happy. Prasanna means happy. Aprasanna. See, in pa letter down, ra is there, one slash is there, na? That is half ra, and pronunciation will be pra, sa, and there are two na. one half na, one full na. So it's become prasanna, aprasanna. So you got to know how to pronounce. Prasanna means happy. Aprasanna means unhappy. Aprasanna means unhappy. Khush. Khush means happy. Here bada sha is there and sha. So we will not say khush. We will say khush. Bada sha. Khush means happy. Na khush, unhappy. So prasanna or prasanna. Khush, na khush. Both are same. Okay? Both are same. Prasanna and khush. Both are synonym. Aprasanna and na khush. That is also synonym. Both meaning is same. Prasanna or prasanna. Khush, na khush. Both meaning is happy, unhappy. Acha. Acha means good. Bura, bad. It can be habit, it can be things also. See, acha how they have written here? A, half cha, cha, and cha par a ki matra. Cha, acha. Acha means good. Like, your book is good, your cloth is good. Okay, someone is having good habit. All are acha. Bura, bad. Bad taste. Food taste is not good. Cloth is not good. Someone is having a bad habit. That is bura. Acha, bura. One more round we will read. Vilom shabd. Pasand, napasand. Like, dislike. Garib, ameer. Poor, rich. Pyar, nafrat. Love, hate. Pyar means love. Nafrat means hates. Prasanna, happy. Aprasanna, unhappy. Khush, happy. Na khush, unhappy. Acha, good. Bura, bad. So this was the antonym. Next we will go for Paryayavachi. Paryayavachi means synonym. Pa, half ra, ya, ya पे आ की मात्रा या, य, वा, ची, पर्यायवाची. पर्यायवाची means synonyms. पर्यायवाची means synonyms. शिक्षक, श, छोटी की मात्रा शी, छत्री छ, and ka, शिक्षक. शिक्षक means teacher. शिक्षक means teacher. अध्यापक, guru. All are the synonym of teacher. शिक्षक, teacher, अध्यापक, guru. Next, बगीचा. बगीचा means garden. बगीचा means garden. You all know the garden? Where lot of flower will be there, some trees will be there, like a park. Okay, in park big trees will be there, but in garden only small plants will be there, flowers will be there. Okay, synonym is upavan, udyan, bagicha. Okay, all are the synonym. So bagicha means garden. Synonym will be upavan, udyan, and bagicha. Anumati. Anumati means permission. Anumati means permission. Synonym will be agya. Sahmati. Ijazat. Okay. If you want something or in classroom you want to come inside, what you will say? May I come in? That is permission. Anumati. If you want to go out, you want to drink water, you want to go to toilet, you will take permission. That is anumati. Synonym is agya, sahmati, ijazat. All are the synonym. Chhatra. Chhatra means student. Chhatra means student. What will be the synonym? Vidyarthi, shishya, chela. See, vidyarthi, how it is written there? V, half the, ya, थ पे बड़ी की मात्रा and half r is there. So half r before th we have to pronounce विद्यार्थी. Next शिष्य, बड़ा श ई की मात्रा, हाफ षटकोण स and य, शिष्य. चेला, all are the synonym of student. छात्र, विद्यार्थी, शिष्य and चेला. So this was our synonym. Next we will go for numbers. Next we will go for numbers. Numbers means एक वचन, बहुवचन. Numbers in Hindi what we will say? वचन. What we will say? वचन. एक वचन, एक means one. बहुवचन, बहु means बहुत, many. एक वचन singular, बहुवचन plural. Okay, so we'll read numbers. शिक्षिका, one teacher. शिक्षिकाएं, many teachers. माला, one garland, one माला. मालाएं, many garlands. छात्र, one student. छात्राएं, many students. ताली, ताली means clapping. ताली means clap. ताली means one clap. Okay, one boy is clap. तालियां, all class, whole class is clapping. Okay, तालियां, so ताली, तालियां. Next, शिक्षक, शिक्षक गण. शिक्षिका means lady teacher. शिक्षक means man teacher, a teacher who is man. So शिक्षक, शिक्षक गण. शिक्षक, शिक्षक गण. विद्यार्थी, विद्यार्थी गण. छात्र, छात्रगण. सभा, सभाएं. So this is your numbers. Next we will go for gender. Change the gender. In gender in Hindi what we will say? Ling. What we will say? Ling. Pulling, striling. Pulling means masculine gender. Striling means female. Okay, feminine gender. So masculine, feminine gender. Pulling. Pulling means for boy we will use that word. Striling means for girl we will use that word. Okay. शिक्षक, शिक्षिका. शिक्षक means man teacher. शिक्षिका means woman teacher. शिक्षक, शिक्षिका. छात्र, boy student. छात्रा, girl student. बच्चा, boy. Child is the boy baby. बच्ची, girl baby. माली, gardener. मालिन, lady gardener. Okay, so शिक्षक, शिक्षिका. छात्र, छात्रा. बच्चा, बच्ची. माली, मालिन. This was your gender. Next we will go for question answer. गीतिका किसको पसंद करती थी? गीतिका is the student here. To whom she like? गीतिका अपनी टीचर को पसंद करती थी. So answer is teacher. Rest it is a question only. गीतिका अपनी टीचर को पसंद करती थी. To whom गीतिका like? Teacher. Question number 2. गीतिका अपनी टीचर को क्यों पसंद करती थी? Why गीतिका like her teacher? गीतिका why she like her teacher? Answer will be वह सभी बच्चों को प्यार से समझाती थी. Here समझाना means teaching, taught. Okay, so गीतिका as a teacher, all children with love she will teach. Okay, everyone, many times children will ask question but she will not shout. with love. Silently she will teach all students. So Geetika liked that teacher too much. गीतिका ने स्कूल का कौन सा अनुशासन तोड़ा? अनुशासन मीन्स रूल्स. अनुशासन मीन्स रूल्स, डिसिप्लिन. सो which rules Geetika break in the school? Answer will be गीतिका ने स्कूल के बगीचे से बिना अनुमति के फूल तोड़ा था. So Geetika has plucked the flower from the school garden without permission. Okay? Without permission, Geetika has plucked flower from the school garden. That rules, because in school garden nobody should touch the flower, but without permission she has plucked the flower. So this rules she has break. टीचर के लिए उत्तम उपहार क्या होता है? What is the best gift for teacher? एक अच्छा छात्र बनना ही टीचर के लिए एक श्रेष्ठ उपहार होता है. सो बी अ गुड स्टूडेंट इज द बेस्ट गिफ्ट फॉर अ टीचर. बी अ गुड स्टूडेंट इज द बेस्ट गिफ्ट फॉर अ टीचर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. टीचर ने उत्तम छात्र के कौन कौन से गुण बताए? गुण मीन्स क्वालिटी. गुण मीन्स क्वालिटी. कौन कौन से मीन्स हाउ मैनी. सो what is the good quality of a student? In this lesson, what teacher is saying? What is the good quality of a good student? एक छात्र को सबकी बात माननी चाहिए. A student should listen to everyone. रोज पाठ याद करना चाहिए. Daily he should memorize his lesson. हमेशा साफ सुथरा रहना चाहिए. He should put neat and clean cloth. और सबकी मदद करनी चाहिए. मदद means help, and he should help to everyone. Wherever he feel someone need a help, he should help to everyone. This is the good quality of a student. Okay, so what is the good quality of a student? He should listen to everyone. He should memorize his lesson daily. He should write his homework. He should be neat and clean and always ready to help others. गीतिका अपनी टीचर को बहुत पसंद करती थी. क्यों? Now this is a long question. You can write in your book also, or neat and clean you write in your class work. गीतिका अपनी टीचर को बहुत पसंद करती थी. क्यों? गीतिका लाइक हर टीचर टू मच. वाई? गीतिका अपनी टीचर को बहुत पसंद करती थी क्योंकि वह सभी बच्चों को प्यार से पढ़ाती और समझाती थी. गीतिका लाइक हर टीचर टू मच बिकॉज एवरी चाइल्ड शी विल टीच विद लव एंड केयर. बच्चों ने अपना प्यार कब और कैसे दिखाया? हाउ चिल्ड्रंस शो देयर लव एंड रिस्पेक्ट टू टीचर एंड हाउ? बच्चों ने अपना प्यार शिक्षक दिवस पर टीचर को तोहफा देकर दिखाया. तोहफा मीन्स गिफ्ट. सो चिल्ड्रन शो देयर लव ऑन टीचर्स डे to give the gift. So what children has done? They have given some gift to teachers on Teachers Day. Like that, giving the gift on Teachers Day, they show their love and affection to the teacher. Question number 3. गीतिका ने हेडमास्टर जी को फूल तोड़ने का क्या कारण बताया? So गीतिका, what she told? What was the reason to pluck the flower? What she told to principal? Why she plucked the flower? Answer will be, गीतिका ने हेडमास्टर जी से कहा कि वह बहुत गरीब है और तोहफा नहीं खरीद सकती. गीतिका told to principal she is very much poor and she can't afford a gift for teachers. So she plucked the flower. Question number 4. टीचर ने गीतिका को थपथपाते हुए क्या कहा? What teacher told to गीतिका? टीचर told, टीचर ने कहा, बच्चों, जो प्यार आपने मुझे दिया उसके लिए धन्यवाद. So children, what love and affection you gave me, you show me, thanks for that. Thank you very much for that love and affection and gift. Okay children, so today we have finished our lesson 16, Shrestha Upahar. We have read the book exercise and question answer. So what you have to do? Already you have written your word meaning. Now question answer, neat and clean, write in your classwork. Okay children, thank you. Have a good day.